It is a miracle firework time called Winning Streak. 14 shot, 350 grammer. As you see, that right there means there's a fan effect. Green tail up to green peony, gold palm tree with gold green strobe. Blue tail up to gold strobe, gold palm tree with gold strobe. It shoots alternately with V and W angle. 4 shots of grand crackling wiggle finale, absolutely awesome. Again, production pictures saying what it should look like. Take a peek underneath, and there you go. This is what the tube layout looks like for your angles. Again, this is Miracle Fireworks Winning Streak, 14 shot, 350 grammer, got from Bada Boom Fireworks out of Blakesley, PA. Website, badaboomfireworkspa.com. As you know, thumbs up or thumbs down, depending on what you think of this, and I'll see you in the comments down below. I'll see you in a few seconds.